Hi y'all, I'm Melissa and today we are going to be unboxing our Boxycharm Premium. Super excited. Alright, Boxycharm Premium is $35 a month. You get 6 to 7 full-size products. I've really enjoyed having Boxy Premium as long as I've had it, but anyways, let's just get into the unboxing. Alright, so first thing I see, I can keep the box open, is the Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Mask. Let me open it up for you. Well, taped. Don't want me to get in it. Alright, here we go. And I don't know, did I get a card? Here we go. Yeah, I did get a card. Alright, so there's the Avocado sleep-in mask. And it is the Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Mask is a creamy, nourishing mask formulated with antioxidant-rich avocado exfoliating PHA and the most gentle form of retinol, encapsulated retinol. This super gentle yet effective mask works to improve skin's elasticity and reveal smoother, hydrated skin with each use. Use as a wash-off, flash facial, or overnight mask for deep recovery. It retails for $49. That sounds pretty good. I need that. Alright, so next we got the Too Faced Cocoa Contour Palette. Let me open her up. That's the outside. And this is the inside. You got 3 contour shades and you got 3 highlights, which some of them you could use like as a under eye setting powder. Let me see. Let me do a few swatches. Well, some of them didn't show up, but that's I got some more swatches on my hand. That's the deepest one, and then you got the middle and the youngest. Some of them didn't. Let me show on my fingers. That's what they look like on my fingers. So, I don't know how great that would do on deeper skin tone, because I think the deepest would probably work for me. Let's try out the highlight shades. That's what they look like on my fingers. And then we'll swatch them on my hand. You got the lightest, the middle, and then the deepest up here on my knuckles. Alright. So that is the Too Faced Cocoa Contour. And let's read about it. It's lift cheekbones and sculpt like a pro with the easiest contouring palette you've ever experienced. The buildable matte formula is infused with our skin-loving cocoa complex and blends beautifully for a diffuse, subtle contour, so natural and effortless. All they'll see is your perfect bone structure. It retails for $44. All right, and the next thing we got in our box is the KVD Vegan, KVD Vegan Beauty Inkwell Long Wearing Matte Eyeliner. Oh no, this is the lipstick. Oh yeah, it is a Studded Kiss Cream Lipstick. Introducing the new and reborn Studded Kiss Cream Lipstick. The creamiest, most cushiony, and unbelievably pigmented lipstick to ever cross your lips. A breakthrough new lipstick combining super creamy color and weightless, comfortable long wear. And this is what it looks like. You open it up, and that's the color. I'm not sure what color that is, but this retails for $20. Alright, so next is the KVD Vegan Beauty Inkwell Long Wearing Matte Eyeliner. And it says meet, that's the box. It says meet KVD Vegan Beauty's most bulletproof matte eyeliner yet. Inkwell Liner super innovative formula sets the bar even higher with extreme long wear and waterproof, transfer resistant, smudge resistant performance, all in a spectrum of highly pigmented shades for one swipe matte opacity, no layering needed. And it retails for $20 as well. And let's open it up. That is what the tip looks like. Let me do a little bit of a swatch. And that's what the swatch looks like. I don't know, I haven't used any KVD products. I think I actually got a KVD powder in my Ipsy, so I really want to try that, but I don't know how much. I don't use eyeliner a whole lot, but I'll try it out and see what I think of it. Okay, now we got the $1 Billion Brow Sculpting Duo Brush. Can I get it in the screen? There we go. The simplest tool to achieve the perfect contour side, densely packed angle brush applies to target areas, then buffs and blends for a sculpted look. Highlighter side, tapered brush for precise blending to enhance smaller features on the face. It retails for $30. So it's pretty soft. I know in the Luxe we got the $1 Billion Brow, or $1 Billion Brush, whichever. We got some charcoal brushes from them, and they were really soft too. So I'm excited to try all these out. Okay, so last but not least, we got the Skin & Co. Sardinian Spirit Shower Gel. Can I get it to focus? I don't know if it's in focus or not. There we go. Says, like the delicate fragrance of yellow flowers on a vibrant Sardinian summer day when the Mediterranean breeze carries the notes of the pressed myrtle flowers and berries that run through the cobblestone streets free of phthalates, parabens, and mineral oils, this limited edition shower gel is sure to take you back to the island of Sardinia this summer, and it retails for $22. I'm pretty excited about this because I needed some more shower gel. I just ran out. Ooh, that smells good. I don't know. It smells like something, but I can't place what exactly. Like orange, maybe? I don't know. Wild, yeah, it's got wild orange in it. I'm smelling the lemongrass and the orange. So, yeah, it smells really good. But yeah, I'm super excited because I ran out of my shower gel like a couple of days ago. I've been having to use my daughter's and I don't like it as much. So I'm pretty excited to have me some shower gel. So, well, that was the last product. And that's all I got in my Boxycharm Premium. So I think that did pretty good this time. I don't know about the eyeliner or the lipstick. They'll probably go to my daughter because this is a little too dark for me. I'm an old woman now, so I can't wear dark shades anymore. But the liner, I'll probably try it, but it'll probably go to her too. So these two, I'm excited. I'm super excited about the Glow Recipe mask because I've been looking for a sleeping mask. I have one, but I'm not sure how I feel about it. So I'm pretty excited to try this and see if I can get a new sleeping mask. Shower gel, I just said I'm excited about it. I need some shower gel. You always need some shower gel. The contour brush, I'm pretty excited to play with it, see how it works, see how good it works, and play with it a little bit. Then I'm super excited about the contour palette. I just hope that the shades are gonna work pretty well, you know. I'm super excited about it, so we'll see how the shades work, and I'll be trying that out soon. So I guess that's it, and I hope y'all enjoyed watching me open up my Boxycharm. I'm gonna try to do these every month, do my premium and it'll be regular box next time. And if I get them together, I'll do them together, but I didn't get them together this time, so I went ahead and uploaded my Boxy Luxe because I always am excited to see what everybody got so I can see what I might get. So I wanted to upload in case anybody wanted to see it, to see what they might get. But so I hope you like it. If you did, press the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, if you'd like to become part of our family. Ring the bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. I try to do at least 2 videos a week. But I guess that's all, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye, y'all.